What time is it? It's time to snack. It's time for a movement snack. That's right, with all our brain work, it's time for a reset. Get ready to restore your energy and rev up your brain. Let's start moving. Miss AP here to help restore your energy. Today we are going to be learning how to do some basic yoga poses. But before we do, let's start with our warm-up. Since we already learned how to do a squat in the last unit, let's do 3 squats to warm up. 1, 2, 3. Nice job. Now that we've warmed up our body, we are ready to exercise. Today we are going to learn the bird dog pose. So we will need to start in our tabletop position. So we will get down on all fours in our tabletop position. We're going to need to keep our balance. One leg is pointed out, opposite arm pointed forward. Bring that in, take a deep breath, opposite leg out, opposite arm forward, keeping your balance. Make sure you tuck that toe to give you like a little anchor. So opposite leg, opposite arm pointing forward, bringing that back in, doing the opposite side, opposite leg, opposite arm, bringing that back in as we transition into our child's pose. We're gonna push ourselves back up and give ourselves a big clap. Nice job. Let's cool down by taking 2 deep breaths. Deep breath in, deep breath out. Deep breath in, deep breath out. Great job. Wow, that was some awesome work. You just finished a 2-minute movement snack to restore your energy. Now get ready to jump back into learning. Remember to use exercise snack we just finished to keep moving all day.